Hi guys, I want to show you guys two great products. It's a green tea mask stick from Lanthome and rosehip oil from Pensley. I've been having some issues with my acne since I have to wear a mask all over the time at work, and there is a lot of dirty things in my pores. And I heard a lot about this green tea stick mask from Lanthome, and I decided to try it. I used it for my face twice a week and I'm really impressed, guys. This stuff truly works. The product adopts the design of rotating head, which is more convenient to use and not easy to dirty hands, and it can effectively reduce all the blackheads, control oil, improve facial dullness, and it's also suitable for all the skin types. Okay, and how do we use it? Just wash your face, apply mud to your face or body, leave it for about 10 to 20 minutes, then wash off. It is a light, refreshing and calming mask. Since I started to using it, I noticed that my skin is really smoother and it's less oily. And I do feel that even my pores, they look smaller. My skin did feel really soft and clean after I use, and I leave it for only 15 minutes when I apply it. And guys, what I like the most about this mask, that it's fragrance free. We all know how fragrance can irritate our skin, right? So I like this product, I think it really works, and I'm definitely gonna keep using it. Okay, and I want to show you this rosehip oil from Pensley. Okay, I'm not an expert, but I heard that this rosehip oil can fade and heal your acne scars and some stretch on your face. And of course I decided to try it because I do have some acne scars on my face, and I'm very excited about this one. Use 2 to 3 drops. Using the dropper, place the drops in the palm of your hand and gently massage all over your face. More may be needed for dry skin and if you are treating your neck. I use it twice a day, morning and evening. I use this oil every night as part of my regular skincare routine, and I had no breakouts this month, no skin clogging, no blemishes, and even my melasma is fading. In addition, I suggest that if you are using this during the day, don't forget your sunscreen because it's very important. And I can definitely say that I'm extremely happy with this product. I had very sensitive and dry skin, and I want to say that I haven't had any allergic reaction to this product, and I even feel so much confident than before. I'm gonna be a customer for life. Thank you.